Welcome back to Hick Scratch YouTube channel. If you remember our last video that we did on this vehicle, we put canola oil in. But today we are putting peanut oil in. This stuff, I don't know, is it thicker?
Well, where's the canola oil? So the canola oil,
Oh, we can show them how fast
it's a lot more fluidity,
viscous.
and then the peanut oil, it's a lot more slow, like warm lard.
Oh, this is so much thicker than the last stuff.
Here, cut a hole in the handle. Like a dream. Leave your voice in the chat below if you think you know what that looks like. Yeah, this stuff is way thicker than canola oil. Hopefully when it...
Do you guys think it will start? Comment down below right now, pause the video. Will this thing even start on this stuff? This is thicker than gear oil.
It's pure sludge. If you be really, really quiet and we stick you in here, hopefully you could hear that the oil is actually just glop, glop, glop all the way into the engine, into the oil pan. So we're hoping that from the last video, that this is warm enough that it heats us up and we don't just hear when it starts.
Okay,
that
stuff needs to go back.
Ain't that something delicious?
Good news is it should come out better than it goes in because, well, if this thing even starts, it should come out better because, well, it'll be warm.
So as we've been filling this, we've been contemplating the life expectancy, and it's not looking good. This might be a shorter video. Now we're gonna have to wait till all of that goes away so we know that it's down in there before we start it, because we have a feeling that the little part that moves the oil around from the pan to the top of the motor, so you actually have oil in there, probably won't pick this stuff up easily. So we might have some probably lifter issues after this if it doesn't get up there right away.
And remember, guys, this engine only has 125,000 on it, so it's a good motor that we're doing this to. So it's a fair test.
It is a fair test.
I think that's pretty good.
It is. Oh my goodness! It must be getting warm in there. All right. Do you fucking just really?
Oh yeah. The block is warm.
The block is warm. Okay, good.
So guys, if you didn't see our last video we did on this vehicle, you should check that out because it started on fire a little bit. So we'll see what happens today. All right, first startup. Let's go. We're gonna try it in drive this time. Last time we tried it in reverse because we know drive is questionable on this vehicle.
Well, you can smell it already.
Yep.
So it burns a little bit of oil. You can smell it. That peanutty peanut. So I'm deathly allergic to peanuts, so we'll see how this goes.
She's bogging down a little bit, but the check engine light is not blinking. And the check engine light was on before we even did anything with the oil, so that could be anything. And we do gotta watch out for fires because last time we did start a couple fires.
3 to be exact.
Yes, one of those being in the engine.
So this is what you would call an extreme torture test for a vehicle that is running on peanut oil.
And we are doing the same rules as last time.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
In a continuous circle with the accelerator pin.
Yep. I have not let off once this whole time,
So if it lasts this, then it will last you from wherever, it's from Walmart to your house. Even if it is 2 hours.
runs better than the peanut oil, actually.
Yeah.
Better than the canola oil.
The canola oil was a bit viscous.
Yes.
This is way thicker, so we're assuming that it's acting like a normal.
It should be starting to get a little more thinned down by now.
Yeah.
She's up to operating count.
And peanut oil is a frying oil, so it's hot at like 375 degrees. It's at its optimal. Fires. Hey, there's a fire! There's a fire! Anything about that?
See, she went out.
Yeah, she went over.
Oh, that was her power steering.
Was it really?
Temperature on the gauge still looks just fine.
Well, I can't get that far over without falling.
Yeah, it's right in the middle.
What was that? Right after we said it, oh, it's not on fire yet.
She is bogging down. I can feel it.
Yeah, oh yeah. I can feel that power steering is not quite as there as much, is it? Oh yeah. Now we are currently at 5 minutes. It has 5 more minutes to go. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go. And if I do, my mother will say. Have you ever seen a moose kissing the goose down by the bay?
She's bogging down. She's only wanting to do 15.
Oh, give her, let her buck. Let her
She's
buck.
been bucking.
I think we can push her to 3 hours. And how do you think WD-40 would work for this?
I don't know. I think we should try tranny fluid next.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, we still got a minute. We don't know if this works yet.
Well, I don't know. We got 40 seconds. Lasted 10 minutes gas pedal is stuck again. Gosh darn it.
That's what happens when you hold the gas pedal
For
all
10
the way to the
minutes
floor for
straight.
10 minutes.
White smoke. Smoky, peanutty, canola taste. No fire. A lot of
We're
smoke.
already doing better than last
Already
time.
doing better than the canola. It's definitely warm. Definitely temperature is there.
See how good this smells. I don't know if that's power steering. It's whatever flew up.
No steam no smoke coming out of there. What's the exhaust manifold?
Oh, that smells.
It smells like a smell. It's a smelly smell.
Don't know if you guys can see this real well, but that's probably coolant because it's green. I don't know exactly where it's coming from.
So this is a top of the line motor for what we have. This is the best motor we got. Coming right out of the head gasket. Most likely. That's exactly what it is. Right through the block.
This is fine.
That's fine.
So we're about to take our peanut oil out. Oh, that's hot.
Really? Oh, hey. And it's still black.
Wow, that's warm. I'm calling this a success.
I'd say it's a success. Out of the Willet Oil series, so far the winner is peanut oil. I'm not saying you should do it, but if you're in a dire situation where you can't afford oil,
If you're at Walmart and your car has no oil for whatever reason,
and you hate
peanut
it,
oil will work better than canola oil.
it will, and you just hate your car, and you just need to go from point A to B, and you don't want to put oil in it. How much did you spend on peanut oil?
It was like $9 a jug. She does seem a little low on power, so
We're
we're gonna check the air cleaner. That's fine. See, when you have this much grass in there, it filters the air before it goes into the actual filter.
Yeah, it's a secondary filter. It's just a secondary filter. Let us know down in the comments below what we should try next. Give us anything. We'll do anything. Horse semen. We'll do it.